Kai come to Mr. John, I welcome home. Amasi, they don't thief my gold. They took your gold and bought 1 million naira. I don't want to take a easy. Where you come up now? I want to know the person that thief my gold. I want to see that person clearly. I don't understand. Don't worry. See, anybody where you see for here, now you thief your gold. The God of good over Shebekam. They came out of the Villa.
Jesus is Lord.
So now you thief my gold. Not be missing my gold. Wait. Now you thief my gold. Wait. Okay, I take a go on cash you today.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't go take anything with you. I do my go for me. I want me like it's only God can show you the real person that think you're good. When you become pastor, it's fake because these God are dead. Accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior. He's the only one person. Make us accept Jesus Christ. And I'm not the one that thinks you're good. As you can see now, I'm a man of God. You are